So we had a windstorm that we were not expecting, and it blew, look at my trees, blew them all over. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. My grandson's little pool. Look at that. Blew every single tree over. It's my blueberry plant. All those pots. Look at that pot. Like, how could it blow that over? There's so much. Nectarine tree, banana tree. It had blown my pomegranate over too. Banana trees. Oh my gosh. So much work. My greenhouse also blew over. My husband's fixing that. All right, see you guys later. Just wanted to show you the craziness.